Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at Ultra Hedge Scalper EA for MT4. This expert advisor was developed by Joel Protusada, and based on the information available on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we are looking at version 19.0, which was updated on August 25th, 2019. Starting with the Marketplace overview, Ultra Hedge Scalper is described as a fully automated scalping expert advisor that combines a scalping approach with a hedging strategy. According to the developer, the system uses a proprietary candlestick breakout system, together with breakout detection settings to identify trading opportunities. Now, before we continue, we can see that the EA is available just for rentals. 1 month going for 39 US dollars, and a year is going for 390 US dollars. Okay, so the listing also mentions that the EA's overall approach combines its entry methodology with money management and multiple exit strategies. Once a trading opportunity is identified, the EA is designed to execute trades automatically. Looking further down the page, the developer highlights several important recommendations. The EA is intended to work best on EURUSD on the H1 time frame. Recommended account conditions include a leverage setting of 1:500, a minimum deposit of $200, a USD dominated account, and a true ECN account with spreads below 2 pips. All right. The developer also recommends running the EA continuously throughout the trading week and suggests using a VPS for stable operation. One very important note shown on the marketplace page is that this EA should not be run alongside other expert advisors on the same account. According to the developer, the internal money management system monitors margin levels and assumes all open trades belong to Ultra Hedge Scalper. Moving into the features and settings section, the EA includes a stop loss mechanism, and the developer specifically states that a relatively tight stop loss is used with a minimum of 30 points or approximately 3 pips. All right. There is also a trailing stop feature designed to protect open profits, along with a parameter called short profit on trail stop in pips. Okay. That can be used when trailing functionality is enabled. The money management section is a major part of the system. The developer provides a formula that calculates lot size using account balance, the money management value, and a base lot size multiplier. Users can adjust these values depending on their preferred level of exposure. Additional controls include profit targets per cycle, margin level monitoring for new trades, bar analysis settings, trailing pending order functionality, and stop loss controls. The developer also provides a set of recommended parameter values, which can serve as a starting point when evaluating the EA. Now, let us transition into the historical backtesting section. Let us start by looking at the provided report here. We have the 5-year backtest from 1st January 2014 to 8th August 2019. And initial deposit was $200. Total net profit I'm seeing here is over $797 million. And here I have total trades taken as 223,739, out of which 110,755 were profitable, giving us a 49.5% win rate. Okay. Let's look at the 1-year backtest here on EURUSD H1 time frame. This was between 2nd August 2018 to 2nd July 2018 to 8th July 2019. $200 deposits, 25,365.67 net profit, 2,450 total trades taken, out of which 1,192 were profitable, giving us a 48.65% win rate. All right, let's head over to our strategy tester. Also, let's see how the Ultra Hedge Scalper performed on EURUSD on the H1 time frame over the past 3 months between 23rd March 23rd March 2026 to 23rd June 2026. All right, so here the initial deposit is $10,000 and the total net profit is negative 13.56. The total trades taken were 148, out of which 58 were profitable, giving us a 39.19% win rate. Largest profit was just 71 cents, largest loss 46 cents, average profit 42 cents, average loss 42 cents. That means that the risk to reward ratio is exactly 1:1, judging from the average profit and average loss. We have an average risk to reward ratio of 1:1. But let's go turn on the visual so we can also see the EA in action. All right. So as I review the historical testing results, it is worth noting that the developer recommends using at least 5 years of historical data with model quality of 90% or higher when evaluating performance. All right. But, the reason why I used 3 months was just because of time. The longer the back testing duration, the longer time it takes for the results to be out. So when your own convenience, feel free to test over a longer period of time so you can be able to capture a wider range of market conditions. Now, the listing also mentions that the EA can be tested using up to 10 years of historical data. Looking at the chart activity and historical trade behavior, the information provided suggests that entries are connected to breakout detection through the proprietary candlestick breakout system. Now, since that is the extent of the strategy description provided, it is important not to assume any additional entry logic beyond what the developer has disclosed. What can be observed from the historical analysis is how the EA managed positions after entry, how trailing stop functionality may have influenced exits, and how the overall money management framework interacted with market conditions throughout the testing period. I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Testing over multiple years can provide a broader picture of consistency and help identify strengths and weaknesses under varying market environments. When reviewing the historical testing performance, remember that results are not guarantees of future outcomes. Actual performance can vary based on money management settings, lot sizing, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization choices. Overall, the Ultra Hedge Scalper EA is presented as an automated MT4 trading system focused on breakout-based entries, active trade management, and customizable money management controls. As always, I recommend thorough backtesting and optimizing the EA under your own broker conditions before considering any live deployment. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.